Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Guys, I'm very excited today because I'm off to Manish Market and this is my first time after lockdown. So come on, let's go and explore the market. And guys, if you like the video, then do share it with your friends and do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. So come on, let's get going with this. So guys, I'm finally at the Manish Market, which is at the Four Bungalows, Andheri West. Yes, it's right opposite the Adani building and the Tirumala shopping center. So guys, the festive season is here and it's the best time to go to the market and shop because after the lockdown, the restrictions have been eased out and the market is on in full swing. Yes, I spotted these kurti palazzo sets which were priced between 700 to 1200 rupees and there were some amazing designs, beautiful colors and great fabrics. So you must definitely check them out. And like I always say that Manish Market is the best market for Indian wear, I must say that even this time I was really impressed. I saw these amazing cotton kurtis and they were priced between 250 to 350 rupees, which is actually a great buy. There were amazing colors in them and they were pure cotton and they were available between 250 to 350 at this Divine Collection store, so you must check it out. Again, this shop had this sale which was 50% off and there were amazing suit pieces for 800 rupees which were unstitched and 500 rupees which were stitched. So the unstitched ones had like some amazing designs, so they were full sets which included dupattas as well. So like you can see, there were these amazing designs and the fabric was pure cotton, so they were definitely a steal for that amount. There were lots and lots of options of kurtis and the amazing thing is that every time they have new collections. There are amazing clothes for kids. And like winters are approaching, there were full sleeves sweatshirts, t-shirts and nice pants and track pants as well. Now again, I spotted a lot of these bags and they were priced between 250 to 500. There was lots and lots of varieties. There were tote bags, there were duffel bags, there were carry bags, there were backpacks and there were some really cool bags for kids. So there were these shimmery cool prints for kids, like you can see these ones, and they were definitely quite eye-catchy. Then I spotted a lot of these jewelry pieces. They were between 100 and 250 rupees and there was lots and lots of variety in them. These chicken kurtis were definitely very eye-catchy and they were amazing quality. So they had short chicken kurtis as well and the longer ones as well, and they are definitely very in this season and they've been in for many seasons now. So definitely if you're looking for chicken kurtis, then there was lots and lots of variety in the market. There were so many colors and so many patterns in them. So you can check out this shop called Classic, which had lots and lots of variety of chicken kurtis. Now there are a lot of these tailors which are sitting in the inner lanes of Manish Market and they stitch suits for 500 rupees, which is really amazing, and 750 rupees for a blouse, which is also very less as compared to other markets in Andheri West. So there are a lot of these tapes and latkans that you use on suit, to put on suit pieces or when you're getting suit stitched. And like you can see, all of this box has 100 rupees thans of these tapes. So if you're looking at accessories to buy to put on your kurtis, and beautify them, then you should definitely visit this market. Then again, you see a lot of these dupattas, so you can bring your kurtis or you can bring your suit pieces and you can match dupattas with them because you get it in every fabric and every color possible. There is lots and lots of variety of artificial jewelry in the market, like these jhumkas and say you can wear these earrings for Indian wear, for Western wear, for Indo-Western wear. Then again, a lot of these shops have these ready-made blouses. So you get nice padded ready-made blouses between 500 and 800 rupees, which is amazing, because if you actually get the fabric and you get it stitched, it turns out to be pretty expensive. Look at these beautiful dupattas. There was lots and lots of variety of dupattas. You can, this is a matching store, so you can bring your kurtas or suit pieces and match your dupattas with them. Like you can see, the market has opened up, but there was not too much crowd in there, so it's kind of good. So if you go in the daytime like I went, then you can easily shop without being too scared to be in the market. There's truckloads of variety of these artificial earrings, these jhumkas, and your neck pieces, your bangles. So you have lots and lots of variety. Also, if you're looking at teeny weeny things like rubber bands, nail paints, bindis, because since Diwali is approaching and Karwa Chauth is coming, so these teeny weeny things that you always need, you have all of them in the market. So you can just go to this market, and I feel for your Indian wear, you are totally sorted from head to toe. The prices are quite reasonable in this market as well. So, and they are ready to bargain. So I guess, if you're looking at buying things and getting ready for this season, then you should definitely give it a visit soon. There are lots and lots of dupattas in the market, like right from your Lehriya prints to your Jaipuri prints, you name it and you get it here. It's like this shop was totally dedicated towards dupattas. So you can get these white dupattas as well and dye them in whatever colors you wish to. Now, like I noticed, there was somehow a little less Western wear in the market. Like I spotted this shop, it had a little variety, but there was not too much Western wear shops, in the market, and there wasn't a lot of great stuff in terms of Western wear. So again, lots and lots of jewelry pieces for you to check out. So guys, with this, I come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If you did, then do like it and share it and subscribe if you still haven't. Thank you.